Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Braids by Nisange. In this video I will be doing a knotless braid style, which is 72 inches long with a hard part on the side of the head. My client needed a hard part, so I gave her a hard part and I perfected. I also use expression here, which I will show you in this video. I also use shining gem to perfect my parts, and I use expression pre-stretch here. So as you can, and I think this was like a number. It's like I'm not sure. I don't even remember. But it was almost like a rust kind of orangey hair. But in this video I think I showed the hair that I use. So if you want to see the end result, continue watching and watch me slay this knotless braid style. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and tag a friend in these videos, and I will leave all the information in the description box down below. So don't forget to check the description box for more information, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now. God bless.
I will shoot anything for you. I kill anything for you. Make we do. I'm running to you. Right, thank you, I'm coming for you. I will shoot anything for you. I kill anything for you. Make we do. I'm running to you. Right, thank you, I'm coming for you. I will shoot anything for you. I kill anything for you. Make we do. I'm running to you. Right, thank you, I'm coming for you. I will shoot anything for you. I kill anything for you. Make we do. I'm running to you. Right, thank you, I'm coming for you. I will shoot anything for you. I kill anything for you. Make we do. I'm running to you. Right, thank you, I'm coming for you. I will shoot anything for you. I kill anything for you. Make we do. I'm running to you. Right, thank you, I'm coming for you. I will shoot anything for you. I kill anything for you. Make we do. I'm running to you. Right, thank you, I'm coming for you. I will shoot anything for you. I kill anything for you. Make we do. I'm running to you. Right, thank you, I'm coming for you. I will shoot anything for you. I kill anything for you. Make we do. I'm running to you. Right, thank you, I'm coming for you. I will shoot anything for you. I kill anything for you.